Hey y'all, welcome back to another recipe. For today's video, I'll be showing you guys a very easy, juicy, homemade burger. If you want to see it, stay tuned. Also subscribe if you are new here. Thumbs up the video for me. Without further ado, let's make it. Alright, to get started, we're using 2 beef patties. They're lean beef patties. You can use the regular one, but I didn't want to use the regular one, okay? But it's still going to be juicy, okay? Just trust and believe when I tell you it's going to be juicy, so yeah. So we're going to use that. Now, what I am going to do is add some salt on both sides of the patties. Just like that. Make sure you flip it over and add the salt on the other side. Now you can add the salt to your taste. No measurement really. I don't add that much salt, as you guys can see. Okay, now I am going in with some pepper. I'm adding some pepper all over it, just like that, on both sides. Now I'll be adding some onion powder. Don't mind my onion powder, okay? Now I'll be adding some cayenne pepper as well. This is just optional. It's for some type of heat, but it's optional. Next, I'll be adding some paprika. Also, I'm adding some garlic powder, just like that. And then we're going to flip it over, of course, and season the other side. Whatever you do on one side, do it for the other side. Just like that. Pepper, onion, garlic powder, cayenne pepper. I also added some paprika on there as well. Just a 1/4 teaspoon of each will do. Now I'm adding some oil. Doesn't matter what type of oil. Just add a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick on your grill, and then we're going to grill these. Okay, I'll leave the time of how long I grill it down below. Also, this is based on how thick your burger is, so the time may vary. As you guys can see, I'm cooking 4, not 2. But we're going to flip it over once one side is kind of nice and golden. Flip it over just like that. And we're going to cover it, okay? Always cover it so it's not dry. That will help it stay moist. All that smoke, even though I wasn't using a charcoal grill, I am using a gas grill, by the way. Just cover it and let it cook. While that is cooking, I am going to cut my veggies. I am using tomatoes. I am going to cut them into slices just like that. And you can use whatever veggies that you like. This is the basic tomato, lettuce, onions. Nothing major. Just like that, I am going to cut them into slices. Next, I'll be cutting up some onions. Now, my onions is a little small. As you guys can see, that one onion is small. That's what I had, okay? I didn't want to buy a big old onion, so I used what I have. It works. And then we'll be adding some fresh, clean lettuce on there, just like that. Romaine lettuce. And then in this little container here, I have some melted butter in my burger buns here that I am going to toast. So what I do, I added some melted butter on there, just like that. And then we're going to toast them, okay? You don't want to burn them. You just want to give it a little toast for about 2 minutes. Not even. You just want to have some type of crust on top. So that's what I am going to do. I'm going to place them on the grill. Now this is my burgers, how they look so far. They're not done yet, as you guys can see. So we're just gonna let it, well, we're going to flip it over and then let it do its things. And then We're going to flip it over and let it cook on the other side. Now I am going to place down my buns. I am using the sesame seed on top buns. You can use whatever you like, but that's what I like, okay? So just add that in there and let it toast for about 2 minutes, not even, okay? Based on how you like it. And then also I'll be grilling my onions as well. I just want to kind of caramelize the onions as well. So place that onion on there, and of course I lose about 2 of my onions in the holes of the grill. But that is okay. My burgers are nice and done. As you guys can see, I'm removing them now. Oof, they were so juicy. So this is it right here. This is how they look. They look so good right now, don't they? Let me know down below in the comment. Would you eat this right now? Of course. It looks really good. Okay, we're going to take the buns out as well as the onions, and I left with only 2 because look at, you can see it through the holes. See, I loved that one too, but that's okay. So now in this plate here, I am going to form or assemble my burger. I am adding some mayo, and then we'll be adding our lettuce that we cut. Place your lettuce with your grilled onion. You can add mustard, but I'm not a big fan of mustard. I'm not a big fan of mustard, so I don't use it, but you can use mustard if you like. I am going to add my tomatoes. Next, I'll be adding the cheese on top of the burger. Okay, add the cheese. I don't know why I took it out, but add the cheese on there while it's hot, or you can add it while it's grilling. And of course I assemble it upside down, so I flip it over. This is how it looks. Once it is done, you have yourself a homemade burger. This is it, guys. Yes, this is it. Like I said, you can melt the cheese on the grill. I was thinking my burgers will be still hot, but that didn't break or make the burger. It was still good. Okay, this is it, guys. Of course I have to cut it for you and eat it, and it was really good. Look at that. Would you take a bite? You can have a bite. It was so juicy. It was good. It wasn't overcooked where it's like dry from the inside. It was perfectly cooked. Yeah, this is it. This is your burger. Quick and easy burger, and this will literally take you about, I don't know, 15 minutes, 20 minutes to make. This is it, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Do not forget to subscribe. Also, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up for me, guys, because that helped me a lot. Please help me out because I see you guys lacking. So hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.